guys, this is Anna from One Timeless Love. I'm doing a video for you guys, yes. So I thought I would do a look that I usually post on my Instagram, just the one eye. I'm not going to do both. So let's get started. Going in with my Sigma E75 and my Anastasia dipbrow pomade in ebony, I always drop these Inglot Duraline in them. It just makes it a little bit more slick and easier to glide over my brows. But as you can see, I'd always do the tail of my brows first, and then I do hair-light strokes in the very beginning because my brows are so light. And then whatever product that I have left, I just fill in the beginning of it. After doing my brows, I always go in with the plouise base, Rumor 2, and I put it in this cute little zpalette travel jars because once it comes out of the tube, you're not putting it back in, and I don't like wasting product. So I use this to carve out my brows as well. And I believe I'm using the Inglot 22T. It's my favorite brush, but I'm not quite sure, but I'll put it in the description box. And then afterwards, I always go in with my MAC 252 brush to even it out. But today we're going to use a Clientele palette by bperfect. It's such an everyday wear, and I'm going in with GG to carve out my crease. And I'm using the Sigma E65. This is such an old brush. Girl, this is an old brush, and it's frailed out and everything, but I like it now a lot more now than I did then. Weird, right? Okay, so Morphe M431, I'm picking up Jaja and I'm putting right above that crease to make an ombre effect. But then afterwards, we're just going to blend both colors and going back in with GG, getting in a little bit more Jaja, and we're just building it up to the desired look. Blend it out even more. I'm going to go in with the Morphe M506 brush to really blend out on the edges just to make it look seamless. And then using the brush 2 of 9, I'm going to use the Tarte Shapetape concealer to carve out the crease because I'm going to create this empty space, so I'm not putting any color on this. And to set it, I'm going to use the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. And whatever rest I have, I just brush it. I use any brush to brush it out. And then on top of that, I'm going to go back in with my plouise base because on this crease, I am going to add color. We're going to make it an ombre effect, but I do another crease. Going in with this shadow, I'm going to go really, really close to the edge because I'm going to do an ombre effect. And having the lighter color up top and the darker color in the bottom, just to, we're doing this. This is what we're doing. And taking a brush, any brush, and you can just blend it out, make it look seamless. And then I take off the tape and I clean up the edges, and I go in with the Cover FX Illuminating Primer. I don't really show or explain my foundation because I don't think it's that important because I'm always showing my eye on my Instagram. I don't really explain the foundation, and I don't think it's really that important because I'm not showing my whole face, so we're not going to talk about that. Maybe in another video I will explain more of the foundation that I use. But concealer is very important, so let's talk about it. Maybelline concealer, Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I love this concealer. I'm always using it all the time. I'm very dry, so Tarte Shapetape concealer is just too drying for me. Going in with the Real Techniques beauty sponge, I'm placing the RCMA all over the foundation except for the under eye because I want the tackiness to adhere to the shadows. Going in with blush, I'm going under the eye and then I'm going to blend it out. After I'm done blending it out, I'll go back into the translucent powder to set the rest of my under eye. For my waterline, I'm using the MAC in C15. I don't know why I didn't show it. And then using Glowkit and using the Morphe E37 brush to place it right in my inner corners. For the glue, I'm using Glitter Glue by Too Faced and this Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to place the glue right under the eye. And then using this glitter, it's by Glitter Injections, and I don't know what's the name of it because I repackaged it into in the container. It's just easier for me to dip my brush in there. And So I'm sorry, I don't know the name of this glitter, but I know this is by Sally's Beauty. It's a chunkier glitter, and I like to place this glitter on top just to give it a dimension. I don't know, it just looks nice, so I just put it on top of it. And then before I put on my falsies, I always go in with the Inglot Gel Liner 77, mix it with Duraline, and as you can tell, I use it all the time. And I put it really close to my lash line, because with my eyes, I can't just throw on lashes. I have to put some black line underneath so you won't see them. You won't see the, what am I trying to say? You won't see the lash band there. And then the setting spray I'm using is by ColourPop. It's Pretty Fresh. That's the name of Pretty Fresh. And then the lashes I'm going in with is Violet Voss, Idaho. You know the state. And using some brow gel from Anastasia. I think I used a brow gel more to wipe off the excess powder that falls on them, but because I don't have much brows, let's get real. And then with my lashes, I put the lashes on. These are gorgeous, you know, because you want them nice and big and juicy for Instagram. And then I was like, you know what? Let's put some highlighter. Let's put some highlighter on for this video. I'm going in with the Anastasia Glow Kit by Nicole using Forever Young. I don't usually use highlighters in my Instagram videos because you're just so close to my eye, you're not going to see it. But today I was like, you know, why not? But this is the look, guys. Let me know what you think. Like, share, comment, and I'm hoping I can do more of these for you. I'll see you later. Love you. Bye.